There's nothing like the smell of freshly baked bread at home. Welcome to Sophia's Kitchen. I'm Sophia and I'm here to teach you how to make the most delicious bread at home. I've been making bread since I was very tiny and I absolutely love it. There's nothing like a freshly baked loaf when you enter your kitchen and you can barely resist it when it comes out of the oven, crackling, full of that amazing crust and these lovely bubbles inside. I'm here to teach you just how to get that right at home with your Thermomix. During this course, you're going to learn the amazing skills of making your own bread at home. We're going to be covering how to knead bread, how to proof bread, what to look out for with a perfect bread, how to bake it, how to store it, different amazing recipes that will get you inspired. I'm going to be making some lovely baguettes with you, some ciabatta, rye bread, white bread, bread rolls, anything you can imagine. This is going to be your course. You will learn anything you need to make the most amazing bread at home and it's going to be super delicious. So get your Thermomixes out. We're going to be baking some amazing bread. Each of my courses is designed to give you lifetime access to all of these videos. You're going to have an incredible booklet that goes with each course that will teach you all of that in-depth knowledge that you need to bake the most amazing bread. What are you waiting for? Learn online, learn for life, and join me in my amazing courses. There's one thing I enjoy making, that is baking bread. It brings people together, it joins people on the table, and it's the most basic ingredient that you will serve with most likely every single meal. That's what I'm going to teach you in this course. I want you to make the most delicious bread at home, something that you've created for your entire family or just for yourself. It's something to be proud of and something you really should learn.